Hey there, pause for a moment. You need to hear this because what I'm about to say might honestly become a turning point in your life. And if you stay with me until the end, something inside you will wake up, a spark, a push, a decision you've been avoiding for too long. Every man knows this feeling, that heavy pressure on your chest, when you know you're not giving your best, when you feel time slipping through your fingers, when you realize you're wasting your potential, your strength, and moments of your life that you'll never get back. But here's the truth nobody really says out loud. Your life doesn't get better when the world changes. Your life gets better when you decide you're done living the same day on repeat. And everything begins with one decision. The decision to stop waking up like your life has no direction. The decision to stop running from the responsibilities that already belong to you. The decision to stop letting comfort hold you back from becoming the man you're meant to be. It starts when you look in the mirror and say, there is no tomorrow. I'm starting today. I'm taking my life back. Every strong man you see today, every disciplined man, every successful man, they were all once broken, confused, and fighting their battles in silence. They weren't born confident or powerful. They rebuilt themselves from their darkest moments. They grew from the places that hurt the most. And the difference between them and you isn't talent, luck, or anything special. It was one choice, one moment where they said, I'm done staying the same. Because when a man truly decides to change, everything around him starts to shift. His purpose becomes clearer. His confidence rises. His habits begin to fall in place. His time becomes valuable again. His self-respect comes back stronger. And slowly, day by day, the old version of him begins to fade away. The lazy version, the scared version, the distracted version, the version that always said, I'll start tomorrow. And a new man begins to rise, stronger, sharper, more focused, more alive. Not because life suddenly became easy, but because he finally drew a line and said, this is who I'm becoming, and nothing is stopping me. So let me ask you something real. What is the one decision you need to make today? The decision that will make you serious about your goals, that will fix your habits, that will stop you from wasting your mornings, that will pull you away from your phone and bring you back to your life. Whatever that decision is, it can change the next 365 days of your life. A year from now, you're going to meet a new version of yourself. And that version will say either, thank you for choosing the hard path, or you should have started when you had the chance. And deep down, you already know which voice you want to hear. So take a breath, stand tall, and make the decision your future self is hoping for. Your next chapter, your next year, your next life begins the moment you say, I'm done living as the old me. There is no tomorrow. I'm starting today. If you're truly ready to change your life, comment, I am ready. Your support helps me create the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to RiceCore. Let's grow together, brick by brick.